Tuesday, August 11th, and it's the end of day like normal here. And it looks like these guys might be working on some tires. Now I know they had to do some tire work here on the yellow 1971 wide gauge tires, and Dad is just checking everything out. They might have to put new tubes in. The customer decided that they did not want to go with the foam filled just due to the cost. So, but we still got to inspect everything. So this one's being pulled apart. I don't know if they put in a tube, but we'll ask Dad and find out what's going on. So valve stem is kaput on this one, and that's why they're tearing it apart. Anyways, you guys noticed yesterday's video here, they were working on the green narrow gauge, and that's where they would have pulled that tire off of. Yeah, they're working on the green narrow gauge, and you gotta let us know what you think of our new YouTube thumbnails here. We went AI a couple of days ago. I think the first one is going to be tomorrow with an AI thumbnail. But here is the roof cargo rack that they built, and it looks like it's almost done. Now that will get slid up top there and then bolted into place. Looks like they already got the holes drilled here for installation, and the idea is they'll put that up there, and this is for the customers' extra nets and fuel, jerry jugs, and whatever other supplies, is because there's very little room inside for let's see if we get in here on this side. Very little room on the inside for hauling all the extra stuff and getting, you know, tubs of fish in here. This guy might even have actually a trailer that he pulls in behind, but very little room in here for maneuvering. And so yeah, they're working on that one valve stem there. That'll probably be a freebie job. And then you know, this is the way it rolled in. We cleaned it up the best we could, but that's that. So yeah, that's what they're doing here. They got the holes drilled here on this side and on that side. And if you notice on the, if you notice here, it's yeah, yes. So it's okay. Yeah. Yeah, I saw that. Yep. So that's all measured out and painted, and I don't know if that's finished, if they're going to put something on the bottom here or not, but no. Okay. Okay, well there you go. So you heard it straight from Dad. So yeah, finish it off, probably clean up some of the rough edges, paint it, and then mount it, and then get this out the door. Again, want to move this into the first position here so they can start sanding. And you know, thunderstorms when I drove out here, drier than hell in town and wetter than heck here. And you just need a good solid week of just dry, cool weather so these guys can work, so they can get the get that yellow out and start sanding and painting. Everything else can be put together, but they gotta have some of that opportunity here. And then if Dad gets distracted with anything, there's a delay there. Got to get this to the owner, likely by early November, because he's going to want to start commercial fishing pretty soon. But Larry was given the first night off, and he was put right back on the tools the next day, and today he's working with Aidan as well. So 3 guys working, getting this done. So if you want to change out your tire and tube, it can be done with 3 guys. And but these tires, put the air to it later on, and but you want to check your rims too to make sure your rims are in good shape. Now here's the new bumpers. I can't remember if I showed you guys or not. Dad painted them off so they're ready for install. And yeah, we're going to just take some photos here of what's going on, and then we'll see you guys on the next video. End of day treats: Filipino Emily, Mila Blondie, Yeti the Yetters, Charles in Charge, and Fearless Squirty. She's eating her treats with the big dogs. Oh, everybody is still unsure about that little dog.